back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video I'll be showing you the painting of this beautiful curtain, and trust me guys, I haven't used any brush to paint this. You just need two items. One is this potato on one stick like this, and your job is done. You can paint a beautiful curtain like this. And it's not that you need a curtain to paint it. You can just try it on your pillow covers or table runners. So let's get started. So guys, first we need a potato like this and a sharp knife. Actually this is a craft knife, and if you don't have this, even you can use the kitchen knife, but be careful guys, and I don't want you to get hurt, so just be careful. So now cut the potato evenly and draw a petal shape. And now start cutting it along the line. Make sure that the shape is perfect. And again I'm repeating guys, I don't want you to get hurt. Just be careful while cutting it. So once you are done with the cutting part, just remove the excess portion until you get a perfect petal shape. While removing the excess portion, be careful guys not to touch the center part. Remove all the excess portion until you get a perfect petal shape like this. I had made two petals, one in smaller size and one in bigger size. So before starting the printing process, spread any old blanket or bed sheet on the floor. If you don't have any of these, even you can use newspaper. Spread it and then place a curtain over it. So now take our potato blocks and dip them in the acrylic paint. You can use any colors of your choice. Just dip them and carefully place them on the curtain to form a print like this. That's it, we are done. Just we need to continue the process and make sure that the block is completely covered with the paint before printing, and the process will be same. Just try to form a flower shape with these petals. So now we are done with the first layer of petals, and for the second layer I am using this small potato block. Again repeat the process, dip them in the paint and carefully place them on the cloth to form a print. It is very easy, right? And it's very fun to do. As we are not using any brushes, we doesn't need any painting techniques. Even you can make your kids to do that. It's really a fun project. So now to fill the center portion, I am using this brown acrylic paint. Just dip any wooden stick in the paint to form dots like this to fill the center portion. You can even use a Q-tip or earbuds. Again on this I am using orange. So that's it guys, we are done with the printing of our flower. So let me show you one more time. Just dip the block in the paint and carefully place them on the cloth to form a print. Repeat the process. And then fill the center portion using any wooden stick or Q-tip. You can always clean the potato block with tissue paper or soft cloth before using it for another color. So for the top portion of the curtain, I completely filled it with flowers, and the bottom part I will be filling it with petals like this by printing single petals. So now we are done with the printing part. Now to decorate the curtain, just make few tassels like this. And guys, this step is completely optional. If you don't like tassels, you can skip this step. So now start sewing these tassels below the flowers like this. So our beautiful curtain is ready, and it absolutely gives an ethnic look to your house, and for sure it brightens up the space. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and it is super easy to make guys. Just give it a try, and you can always share your pics on my Instagram ID, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and do consider subscribing to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.